Lexie. Lexie, what are you doing in the pool? What is this bag here?
It's favorite stuff.
What stuff's in it? What is this? What's all the stuff in your bag?
For us.
Here's a unicorn backpack. Or like a pocketbook thing.
Yeah.
What are you doing all this stuff in the bag? What's in here? What is this? How'd you get in the pool by yourself anyway?
I just hopped in.
Well, that's kind of scary. Well, what is this for?
It's for water from the waterfall.
Water from the waterfall?
Yeah.
Where's the waterfall?
I'm supposed to say the magic word.
Magic word?
Yeah.
Okay, what else is in this bag here? You want to show me? What is this? Goldfish food?
Yeah.
She has goldfish food in the pool. There's no fish in the pool. We're not feeding fish. What else is in here? A fish net.
Yeah.
You see there's a fish net in here? So we got a fish net, goldfish food. And what, this is the magic container with magic water in it?
Yes.
What the heck is going on here?
So, you get in the pool.
I gotta get in the pool?
Yeah.
I gotta get in the pool.
Yeah.
Do I have to bring, I guess we have to bring this, right?
Yeah. With us.
Alright. This is crazy.
Yeah, dude. You guys don't do it.
Alright, now what happens?
Okay. So now, you can get in the float.
I gotta wear a floaty too?
Yeah.
Oh boy. Alright, now what?
Now we say the magic word.
We say a magic word and this is gonna take us to a waterfall?
Yeah.
Sounds kind of scary, doesn't it?
No. It's all toward the fish.
You think this is gonna work?
Yeah. It's all toward the fish.
So we gotta hold this fish,
Yes.
say a magic word, and it takes it to a waterfall?
Yeah.
Did anybody ever hear of something like this before?
No.
Alright, so what's the magic word? What's the we gotta both hold this fish.
Magic fall.
Should we be wearing like helmets or something?
No.
How about we should get our bicycle helmets and wear that?
No.
Alright, so we gotta hold this fish and say what?
Magic.
Magic waterfall. Magic waterfall. Magic waterfall.
Magic waterfall.
What the heck just happened? Do you believe this? Where are we?
At the waterfall.
We're at the Magic Waterfall? I think we made it.
Yeah.
We gotta get water out of this waterfall place. Oh look. I think we can get the magic water out of here.
Yeah.
Is this what you're talking about?
Yes.
Really?
Yeah.
Alright, well we need your container to get the water out. Got it? Can you get some? You got some out of there? You got it?
Yeah.
Let me see. So now what do we do? How we get out of here though? Look at this place. It's a pretty cool place, right? Are we stuck here forever? How are we gonna get out of here? Oh wait, the magic fish will get us out of here.
Yes.
We gotta say, I hope you remember what to say. Do you remember what to say?
Yes.
Okay.
Magic waterfall, magic waterfall, magic waterfall.
Alright, let's try it. We got our water. I'll put it in the bag. Hold the fish. Let's hope this works. I want to go back home, don't you? Back to our pool. Alright, ready? Say it. Magic waterfall, magic waterfall, magic waterfall.
We're back.
That was one crazy trip, huh?
Yeah.
That was nuts. I can't believe it actually worked.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're back from the waterfall.
Yeah.
And back from the crazy ride from the pool, right?
Yeah.
That was fun.
Yeah.
Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a fish now with the magic water and the fish food. And what else do we need?
A cup and some waters.
And a cup of water? A glass of water?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, let's get the stuff. Okay, so we got our water from the waterfall. And what do you got there?
Fish food.
Fish food. Alright, so now we put it up here on the table. And put the fish food next to it. Now what do we need? Oh, you said a glass of water? Or a cup of water? Alright, go get one. I'll wait here. This is going to be something else that works, isn't it? Got some? Alright, we'll put all that stuff up there. Now how is this going to turn into a fish tank? I don't understand this. You think it's really going to work?
Yeah.
Alright, let's try it.
Magic fish.
Oh, we got to say magic fish?
Yeah.
We said magic waterfall last time. Oh, that was for the ride to the waterfall. Alright, let's see what happens. Alright, so put them all together. Now say what? How many times we got to say magic fish?
Magic fish, magic fish, magic fish.
3 times? Alright, ready? Magic fish.
Fish.
Magic fish. Magic fish. Magic fish. That was 4 times. Oh my gosh, do you see this? How in the world did this happen? This is crazy. Do you believe this? You got goldfish out of that?
Yeah.
And there's 2 in there. I don't believe it. Wow. We'll see you guys next time. We gotta go check this out. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.